Hello friends, and welcome to the homestead. If today is the first time that you're visiting with us, we want to extend you a very warm welcome and invite you to watch any of our over 500 videos that we have arranged for your convenience in playlists, as we are confident you're going to find something both entertaining and useful. If you've been here before but you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Do subscribe. If today is your birthday, we want to wish you a very happy birthday.